everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you hear a little background noise, we are having some work done on the outside of our house, so I apologize for any hammering or drilling that you might hear. In this video, I'm going to be showing you Influenster's very first Best in Beauty box. I was so excited when they contacted me and told me that I was going to be one of the very first recipients of this box. So this box is worth over $300 worth in products. You can buy this for yourself or the beauty junkie in your life for $50, and you can also get 10% cash back with Influenster's new cashback program. I'll leave all of the information down below. All of the products in this box were the most reviewed items on Influenster that got really, really great reviews. So I am excited to see what is in here. So the box got a little damaged when it was shipped, so hopefully nothing actually got damaged in the box. But look at how huge this thing is. I can't believe it. Woo! Oh my god, you guys, there's so much stuff in here. Look at this. It is jam-packed. Okay, if you guys still don't know what Influenster is, I have talked about them so many times on my channel, but if you don't know what it is a website or an app where people like you and me can go on there and just review all the products that you use in your life. And it doesn't even have to be beauty. They have so many other categories that you can review and share your thoughts with other people who are curious about those products. If you haven't joined, join today. It is 100% free. So here we go. This is a Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender, what is this? Soothe and Serene Body Lotion for soothed and calm skin. Axe Love Love for our planet. This is natural argan oil, ethically sourced lavender, vegan, plant-based moisturizers. It's not tested on animals, no silicones, dyes, parabens, and it's no guilt. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, this is a giant bottle. Okay, so this is Tresemme's Extra Firm Hairspray, Stronghold and Touchable Feel. Now that is really important to me because I can't really stand the crispiness of hairspray. This is going to be nice because it is a touchable feel, so it can still leave your hair really soft and manageable without being kind of like crinkly. Another product I see for hair is this Petals Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. I love this stuff. So if you haven't tried a dry shampoo and you're looking to try it, try this brand out. Okay, here is another little dry shampoo. I also love this brand, Amica, and this is their Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I have used this product, but I got the big one, and it smells so amazing. Another good brand to try for dry shampoo, Amica. And then here is another texturizing spray, dry texturizing spray by Oribe. I haven't used this product before, but I have seen it in other videos. Okay, so now moving on, there is an SPF 50 Classic Face. This is sunscreen. This is by Kula, the brand Kula. I've only used a couple of their products, but it was like a travel size product. So this is cruelty-free, farm to face, TSA approved size, water resistant for up to 80 minutes. And I know that they have a really good spray, but this is their lotion. So this is a classic sunscreen, organic skincare, and it's SPF 50. Anytime I put sunscreen on my face, I get one that feels like just regular moisturizer instead of a really thick, pasty kind of sunscreen, and this is going to work out really, really nicely. Okay, so moving on, I have this Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. You know, I have a travel, no, it's not a travel, I have a sample size of this stuff, this ginseng eye cream, and it is amazing. Okay, so the product itself has kind of like a tint to it, but it disappears. The sample size that I have, I actually still have it because, you know, around the eye area, you're not putting a ton of product. So the sample size has lasted a long time, and it feels so nice underneath your eyes because once you put it there, it kind of feels like a cooling effect. Unlike other eye creams where you just put it on and then it, you know, does its magic, but this one you can actually feel it going on. Maybe that's the ginseng, I don't know, but I am so excited that I got a full size of this eye cream. Ooh, so here we have a full size Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Oh my goodness. I love Kat Von D eyeliner. I do have a sample size of the Kat Von D Liquid Lipstick. This is such a pretty color. Look at that. And it's great for the fall because look at this color here. Honestly, I never know where to swatch it, and this was like the worst place. So there, the color is right there. So pretty. Okay, so moving on. Okay, in this little package is a bottle of Philosophy, and this is their Purity 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes, and I have used this before. I actually had the full size, and I used it solely on my body, never on my face, and I really liked it. Oh my gosh. So this is a Laura Mercier Ready Set Go Deluxe Mini Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This one obviously is like all the rage, and what's funny is that I've had some other setting powders that I really love, but I just never jumped on the Laura Mercier train, even though I know this is like everyone's ride or die. But I just bought my very first full-size Laura Mercier setting powder, and it's actually still in a brand new box. So this one here is EOS Shave Cream and Moisturizer for smoother, softer skin. It's natural shea butter and vitamins, soft moisturized legs all day, you rinse free, and it absorbs easily. And this is a pomegranate raspberry scent. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't wait to use that. Okay, next is this Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's a multitasking lactic acid treatment, exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer looking skin. I mean, who doesn't want that? And then I got this Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I already have one of these. I might have two of them, but I'm not sure. But I use this with my beauty blender, and I love this just as much as I love the original beauty blender. I love that it has this one side that's flat, and so you can easily get into little, spots underneath your eyes or whatever. So this is a really great makeup sponge. If you haven't already started using the beauty blender, or you're still curious about this, this is much cheaper than the beauty blender, and it works just as well. Okay, so moving on to this next little pouch here. There's so many products in this little pouch. So the first thing is this Pond's Dry Skin Cream. It's a rich, hydrating facial moisturizer. I think my mom used to use Pond's when I was younger. This is hypoallergenic, suitable for sensitive skin, and it won't clog pores. It says massage gently over face and neck. Okay, here, yeah, definitely reminds me of my mom when I was younger, because I used to see this jar. It was a little different than this, and it still smells the same. I like that. Okay, so moving on. So here is a Jergens Natural Glow. Gradually creates flawless, natural looking color, and this is a daily moisturizer. Next up is this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Hi there. So this little guy just got some brand new pajamas, and so he is in love with them. He's got Spider-Man, and then he's got the Avengers, so he requested to wear them all day today. Right, buddy? Yeah. He got a little scrape on his forehead. That's what happens when you're two. Who loves you?
One.
How much?
Too much.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know you too much.
Show this.
You want to show them? Okay. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's another little Origins Ginseng. This is the sample size that I already have, and there's another sample size in here, which is amazing because I'm just going to put this in my travel bag, so I'll have this on the go.
Do this too.
You want to do that one too? Okay. That one is Shea Sugar Scrub. It is by Tree Hut, and it is a coconut lime scented sugar scrub. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to just show you what he pulls out of the box. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. Almost like I want to eat it. Okay, hold on. I have to finish showing them this. Okay, yeah, so this is a matte finish, a setting spray by NYX. I love NYX Cosmetics because they're affordable, but I feel like the quality is still like very high end. All right, next up, what else do you want to pull out? You want to show them that? What is it?
I'm shading.
Yeah, okay, let's see. It is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. This is for your hair. It's infused with dead sea salt and sea kelp. And now we are moving on to this bubble wrapped stuff. Ooh, fun! And this is a pouch full of makeup. Oh, now we've got the whole crew here. Okay, cool. So here... So here are some makeup products in the box. These are eyeshadows. We've got highlighter, and we have eyeshadow palette here, and more highlighter. What is this? No, is this highlighter? Yes, it is.
Oh, can I show them this?
Okay, yes, you can show them that. Oh, Tristan's gonna show that. All right, so once they get a little closer. Okay, so let me show them this one. So this one is Wet n Wild's highlighting powder. So many people have reviewed this on their YouTube channel, especially the big YouTubers have claimed that this particular highlighter is one of the best that they've used at the drugstore. So let me open this up. It's Precious Petals is the shade. My kids want me to swatch it on them, so I'm gonna swatch it on them. Okay, show them your hand. Bling, 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 bling. This is such a pretty highlighter. Okay, so next up is this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. I love ColourPop Cosmetics. Their Super Shock shadows are gorgeous. This is Lightning Bug. Next up is this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Vanilla Quartz.
It's on my arm.
Okay, I'll put it on there for you. And here is this highlighter right here, Vanilla Quartz. And here it is on the back of my hand. Oh, it looks great. He just watched it himself on his own hand. You did good there. Wow. Here, let's see. Right there. Ooh.
Vanilla.
Oh no, this is vanilla. This is Precious Pearls. You did great. You want to do more? Okay, I'll do the other one on your arm. Let me see your arm. This side. Okay. Oh wow, that looks awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the last makeup product in this little pouch. This is CoverGirl's True Naked Chocoholic Eyeshadow Palette. Here are all the colors. This is such a pretty palette. They are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so trying to get through the rest of this video really quick before he starts creating a huge mess. Here is the last pouch, and I believe these are little samples. First is this Garnier Fructis Color Vibrancy Treat Mask, and this is a 1-minute hair mask with goji extract. And then here is an Alba Botanica Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask, anti-pollution volcanic clay. It is hypoallergenic, no bad stuff, and 100% vegetarian ingredients. That is really cool. I love doing face masks at home. I do them several times a week, so I am so excited to be using this one. Okay, and lastly is this apple cider vinegar scalp scrub with pink Himalayan sea salt by DP Hue. And I have used their product before. It was an apple cider vinegar, I don't know if it was a shampoo maybe. This one's here, it says it naturally exfoliates and cleanses the scalp, made with color locking technology, and it's infused with avocado oil and aloe vera. I didn't have a lot of luck with their ACV shampoo that I use, so hopefully this scalp scrub treatment will. Oh, okay. These were also in the, wait, there's one more. Oh my gosh, there's one more. I know that there is. Okay, because this little card was in the box, and it's by Unique. They had that 4D or 3D fiber lash mascara, where you put the mascara on, and then you put the fiber lashes on, and then you put the mascara back on. So now they included this Mood Struck Epic Mascara. There's a little information card. It said legendary lashes are here. They're delivering iconic lash by lash length, clump-free volume, and head-turning stares. This mascara is a multi-effect mascara that produces a wide-eyed, larger-than-life look that's phenomenal to visibly improve volume, length, and definition in an intensely conspicuous coat. I cannot wait to review this for you guys on my channel. Woo! Thank you, Influenster, for letting me be a part of this. I can't tell you how grateful I am to receive all of these products for free. It really, truly just makes me so happy and elated to be a part of Influenster. And thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys are checking on my giveaways. I'm so sorry, there goes some drilling. Anyways, don't forget to enter my giveaways for my 12 days of Christmas, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Sorry I got a little crazy with the kids, but that's bottom line. I will see you guys next time. Bye.